In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable video downloads in your settings. This is a quick setting to change, and it's useful if you want more control over whether videos can be downloaded to a device. If you'd like to allow downloads for offline viewing, you can turn this option on. If you'd rather prevent downloads, you can switch it off just as easily. The good news is that the change takes effect right away, so you'll see the result instantly. To begin, open the video you want to work with. Make sure the video is fully loaded so all available options are visible and easy to access. Once you're on the video screen, look for the settings area. This is where you'll find controls related to how the video can be managed, including download permissions. After opening settings, find the download option. This is the section that controls whether downloads are allowed for that video. When you select it, you should see a simple toggle that lets you switch the feature on or off. If you want viewers or users to be able to download the video, turn Allow Downloads on. If you want to remove that ability, turn it off instead. As you make the change, pay attention to the interface. One helpful detail here is that the Save button responds immediately. If a change has been made, the button will appear so you can confirm the update. If there's nothing new to save, it may stay hidden. This instant feedback makes it easy to know whether the setting has actually been adjusted. Once you've chosen the option you want, save the change if the button appears. That final step confirms your update and applies the setting. Because the button shows or hides instantly, it also serves as a quick visual check that the system has recognized your action. And that's it. You simply open the video, go into Settings, choose Download, toggle Allow Downloads on or off, and save if prompted. It's a very straightforward process, but understanding what each screen is doing can help you move through it more confidently and avoid missing the final confirmation. If you're managing video access or preparing content for different viewing needs, this setting is a simple but important one to know.